These are the tools I used for taking the spark plug, the number 3 spark plug out of the driver's side middle spark plug on a Sonoma S-15 with a 4.3 liter engine. That's the same as like the Chevy S-10. So here I got a let's see, about a 10-inch crescent wrench, or I guess it's not 10-inch, it's 6-inch, and then a cheap 3/4 inch wrench here that I bent and ground down so it would fit in. This was just a long rod I had from something with a sharp end on it, and then this is one I made out of some I don't know, 1/8 inch rod or whatever. I use that for holding and pulling. And then this is a set of hose pliers or spark plug boot wires that I got from Harbor Freight. And this is a short socket wrench. This is about 1 inch shorter. I got this at O'Reilly's Parts City store. It's a 5/8 size with a hex. Magnet holder. Couple of pieces of, and I think that's 3/8. Anyhow, it slips over the end of the spark plug and it fits tight. And then I got this is just another Harbor Freight. It's a magnet thing, and I use that to hold the flap up out of the way as I work through the wheel well on that. So these are tools that work pretty good. And then I used a 3/4 inch drive wrench with this to do the final tightening, and I use this along with this wrench here. You know, I put it on here so that I could turn it when it was loose. Now you can only turn it a little bit at a time, so, but it worked. Not easy, still took a couple hours. So okay, thank you.